This is English shorthand dictation legal matter. Ready, start. As stated herein before, reference cases were filed which were registered as land references cases numbers 118-68 of 1988 stop. All the said land reference cases were consolidated and the parties led common evidence in reference case number 140 of 1988 stop. The reference court enhanced the market value of the land and determined the same at the rate of rupees 20 per square meter stop. The reference court also ordered that additional compensation shall be paid to the complainants with solatium at the rate of 30% per annum on the aforesaid enhanced compensation, and also held that the claimants would be entitled to get 12% additional market value from the date of the notification under section 4 of the act, that is from 21st February 1986 till 16th August 1986 stop. Para. The claimants were also held to be entitled to get the interest at the rate of 9% per annum for the first year of taking over of possession of the land in the year 1986, and at the rate of 15% per annum thereafter, excluding the amount of solatium till the realization of the amount by the claimants stop. In the said judgment, specific orders were made by the reference court that no amount of interest shall be calculated on the amount of solatium stop. Since some of the lands were admittedly of new tenure lands, 5% of the amount of award was deducted for the new tenure lands stop. Para. The appeals were filed by both the appellants and the respondents before the High Court stop. So far as the appeals of the appellant claimants are concerned, their appeals were partly allowed by enhancing the market value of the land and determining the same at the rate of rupees 22 per square meter stop. But the High Court did not grant interest under section 28 and 34 on additional amount of compensation under section 23 bracket 1a bracket close and 23 bracket 2 bracket close of the act, and held further that no interest shall also be paid on solatium, whereas the appeals filed by NTPC were dismissed in entirely stop. The present appeal are registered as against the aforesaid judgment and order of the High Court stop. The learned counsel appearing on behalf of the appellant claimants primarily raised two issues during the course of hearing stop. The first, submission of the counsel appearing for the parties concerned the market value of the land as determined by the courts below stop. According to them, in terms of the documentary as also oral evidence on record, the market value of the land should have been determined at least at the rate of rupees 33 per square meter stop. The next contention of the counsel appearing for the appellant claimants were regarding entitlement of the appellants to payment of interest on additional amount of compensation and solatium stop. Para. Let us first deal with the first issue, which relates to determination of the fair and reasonable market value and the land stop. In order to appreciate the rival contentions of the parties, as to whether the market value of the land should be determined at rupees 33 per square meter as submitted by the counsel appearing for the appellant claimants, or whether it should be determined at rupees 22 per square meter as held by the High Court, we have perused various documentary evidence placed on record by the parties stop. Para. The appellants produced various sale instances which were considered by the High Court as exhibits 102 to 21 relating to village Kawas stop.